Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need a Microsoft account and a clear license choice. This matters because features differ across free and pro. Once you confirm account type, open Powerby. Calm and click Sign Up or Try Free. Enter your work email, not a personal consumer address, and follow the verification link sent to your inbox. Make sure tenant policies permit new service use. If blocked, contact your IT admin now so you don't stall the setup. After signing in, download and install Power BI Desktop to build reports locally. This gives you full authoring capability. Next, connect to your primary data sources. Choose connectors like Excel, SQL Server, SharePoint, or Cloud connectors. Map credentials and test queries. If data remains on-premises, install and register the on-premises data gateway and link it to your Power BI tenant so scheduled refresh. Once your report is ready, publish the PBIX file from desktop to the selected workspace in your Power BI service. Then configure the dataset refresh frequency and credentials. Create an app workspace, assign members or admins, and share dashboards or package as an app for broader distribution. Install the Power BI mobile app to test consumption. If something breaks, check gateway status, dataset credentials, and license assignments first. A stale credential or offline gateway is the most common cause of refresh failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.